going on YouTube? It's been a minute in Integra. We're hosting a car meet today. It's the pre-meet for, I believe it's the Cali Creamin event tomorrow. We're hosting it with a few of the homies, North Scene, and a few other people. So yeah, I'm about to get on the road, and I'll catch you guys when I get there. Have to go get some gas real quick. A little pit stop. Just pulled up to the event. I'm a little early. Nobody's here, but I had to drive kind of far, and I just didn't want to be stuck in traffic. So just waiting for everybody to show up. The event starts in like an hour and a half. The rain should be calmed down by then. Should be a good turnout. Got the North Scene homie here. Shout out to do with the collab. I think that's his Accord too. And the owner's Thai Bar, the restaurant, Filipino Fiesta. The Integra over there. Got the homie North Scene.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah. Their tail lights. More cars are starting to roll in. The homie Randy right there. Got the detailing spot. Even though it's raining. Evo. Scat, I think. Hey John.
Yeah, what's up?
Let them know what North Scene is about for the vlog.
For the vlog? Oh, dude, I'm a Shy Filipino, bro.
Nah, it's all good, bro. Let up.
I don't know. What's your question again?
Let them know what North Scene is about.
North Scene, normally just normal, you know, car meets, car shows. This one's respected one, so please, guys,
Yeah, please.
respect the spot.
You will get banned from our events if you do some dumb shit. I'm not fucking around. What up, Randy?
Sorry, dog.
You got that OG sweater? Hell yeah. TSX looking clean. Detailing shop. An Evo. Always wanted one of them. Clean BMW. Not sure what series. F something maybe. Don't know my BMWs like that. 9th gen. So yeah, it was a good event. I didn't film too much because I was just kicking it with the homies. But yeah, it was a good event. Good turnout.
Yep.
Shout out to all the hosts.
Oh, yeah.
Got Buggy Department, Decent, Thirsty.
You gotta flip it too for yourself, bro.
Yeah, Driven Craft.
Yeah,
Yay!
right there.
All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, sir.